Tigers are the largest wild cats on Earth. With their striking appearance, they capture our imagination. These magnificent creatures roam mainly across Asia. From denser forests to vast grasslands, they adapt well. Every tiger boasts distinct stripes, like our fingerprints. Their unique patterns help them blend into the jungle. Tigers are also powerful swimmers, not afraid of water. They hunt with precision and agility, showcasing their mighty strength. Interestingly, despite their power, tigers are solitary. They prefer to stalk their prey quietly in the shadows. This silence plays a crucial role in their hunting strategy. Strong, fast, and mysterious, tigers represent nature's beauty. These iconic animals remind us of the wild and untamed. This wraps up our adventure today. Join us again tomorrow for another intriguing animal.